Want this?
I think I've pushed all I can. Come on, you go.
Today I will teach you how to make these captions on CAPCUT. There will be some surprises at the end, so watch till end. First of all, let's open CAPCUT. Add a text layer. Trim the text layer from where the dialog starts. Now we need to format the text. Choose Arial Bold as the font. From here, set the text to uppercase. Set font size to 5. Now find the end of the dialog. From here, you can get an idea where a dialog starts or ends. Trim the text accordingly. Now we need to add keyframes. For that, we need to go to the beginning of the text layer. Go to the text section. Add a keyframe from here. You can use this slider to adjust the scale to 70, or just put the value here and hit enter. Now go to the end of the text. We will add a keyframe here. To add zoom text effect, set the value to 100. Here is preview of the zoom effect. Now we will add glow to our text. Scroll down and checkmark the glow option. Here we can see glow effect in our text. To make it look even better, we can make it bold. Click the bold icon from here. Now we will add animation to our text. Let's go to the animation tab. Here we can see variety of animations. You can apply anyone that suits your text. For the caption I showed you earlier, we are going to use the Type 2 animation. Now we have to increase duration of our animation. We will need to adjust this duration according to our dialogue later on. Now we can add fade out effect if we want, but it won't look that good. Fade out animation also looks good. You can try it as I'm showing, but I will also show an alternative. Here is a preview of the fade out effect. Now let's remove the fade out effect and show an alternative. For this, we need to maximize the Type 2 animation duration. Now go to a second before text layer ends and add a keyframe to the blend section. Here add a check mark to the blend. Now go to the end of the text layer and add a check mark to the blend and set the blend value to 0. Now press Alt+K to open Graph Editor. Go to the Blend section, right-click on the graph, select Preset, and choose the Cubic Out preset. Press Alt+K again to close the Graph Editor. For a smoother zoom effect on text, we need to open the Graph Editor again. Go to the Scale section, right-click on the graph and select Ease In. Now we have a perfect animation. We will copy and paste this default text layer twice using Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V. Adjust these layers according to your dialogues. Now we need to put the original dialogues in the places. Let's see the output. Don't leave the video. Here I will show you final output with CAPCUT as compared to After Effects.
I think I've pushed all I can. Come on, you go.
Next video will be dedicated to After Effects, how to make these captions on After Effects. Subscribe to this channel to stay tuned for the next tutorials. And if you guys want tutorials for Android CAPCUT, comment Android below and I will make tutorials for CAPCUT Android too. See ya!